Hi everyone, it is Bishop Kumar AP from CC department. From the principles of management, we are going to see the topic planning tools and techniques. Let's go into the topic planning tools and techniques. The techniques for assessing the environment. First one is the environmental scanning, the screening of large amount of information to anticipate and interpret changes in the environment. Competitor intelligence. The fast growing area of environment scanning is competitor intelligence. It's a process by which organization gathers information about the competitors and get answer to the questions such as who are they, what are they doing, and how will what they are doing affect us. Global scanning. Global scanning is particularly important because world markets are complex and dynamics. Managers have expanded the scope of their scanning efforts to gain visual informations and global force that might affect their organizations. And the next one is forecasting. Forecasting is an important part of planning, and managers need forecast that will allow them to predict future event efficiently and in timely manners. And there are of two types of forecasting. One is the quantitative and another is the qualitative. In quantitative forecasting, the forecasting that applies a set of mathematical rules to series of past data to predict the outcomes. In qualitative forecasting, that uses the judgment and opinions of knowledgeable individuals to predict the outcomes. And the final is the benchmarking to search for the best practice among the competitors or non-competitors that lead to the superior performance. Technique for allocating resources. First one is budgeting, a numerical plan for allocating resources to specific activities. And in the below diagrams you can see the types of budgeting. And the next one is the scheduling, detailing what activities to be done, the order in which they are to be completed, who is to do that, and when they are to be completed. This can be represented by using the Gantt chart, a scheduling chart developed by Henry Gantt that shows actual and planned output over a period of time. It is essentially a bar graph with time on the horizontal axis and the activities to be scheduled on the vertical axis. The bar shows output both planned and actual over a period of time. The Gantt chart visually shows when tasks are supposed to be done and com- compares those projections with the actual progress on each task. The next one is a load chart, a modified Gantt chart that schedule capacity by entire department or specific resources. Instead of listening activities on vertical axis, load chart lists either entire department or a specific resource. This arrangement allows managers to plan and control capacity utilization. Break-even analysis. The break-even analysis is widely used resource allocation technique to help managers to determine the break-even point. To compute break-even point, a manager needs to know the unit price of the product being sold, the variable cost per unit, and the total fixed cost. The fixed costs are the expenses that do not change regardless of volume, and the variable cost changes in proportional to the output and include raw materials, labors, and the energy cost. Contemporary planning technique, project management. Project a one-time only set of activities that has definite beginning on ending point in a time. Project management, the task of getting a project activities done on time within the budget and according to the specification. This above diagram shows the project management processes. And the scenario planning, the scenario is considered view of what the future is like to be. Developing scenario also can be described as contingency plan, that is if event happens then we need to take these actions. Thank you.